This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings. This puts you at the system level where keyboards are managed. Once in Settings, navigate to System and Updates or System depending on your UI version, because Honor groups input options there. From System, tap Language and Input to see keyboards. Make sure the smart keyboard you use, Huawei/SwiftKey/Gboard, appears under Virtual Keyboard. If not, install or enable it first. This initial path locates the keyboard entry, so you can change languages directly. Next, tap the keyboard's name to open its configuration. This is where Language Packs live. In the keyboard settings, find Languages or Input Languages. The label varies by keyboard. Tap that, then use Add Language to download or enable the language you need. You can select multiple languages. Once added, enable the keyboard layout or input method for each language. Make sure to allow any required permissions or downloads, since missing language files prevent switching smoothly. Finally, open a text field and switch languages using the globe icon, the long press spacebar gesture, or the dedicated language key. This confirms the change. Once switched, type a few words to verify autocorrect, suggestions, and layout match the chosen language. If something fails, make sure the language pack finished downloading. If problems persist, clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall the keyboard app. These steps remove temporary errors and usually restore proper language switching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.